Hi, this is Sujana Samay Cynthia. I had recently graduated from University Putra, Malaysia. I had experience on completed a 6-month internship at Mithilpira FDNB, which is situated in Malaysia as a software engineer intern from August 2023 to February 2024. So in this video, I will share a project where I collaborated with designers, project managers, and stakeholders, and how I ensured smooth communication and successful delivery. So now let's begin. During my internship, I worked on developing an internal staff application using Laravel PHP as a full stack developer. So the goal was to streamline internal workflows for the company's employees, such as tax assignments, company details showing all of the company's member records, attending tracks, and documentation, and so on. So for the point, collaboration with designers, I'd like to mention that although we didn't use drag and drop builders, our designers provided statistic design references and wireframes. So to work effectively with them, I translated design ideas into front-end UI using Tailwind CSS and Alpine.js. So we had regular check-in where I demoed progress and collected feedbacks from my other members of the company. So I ensured the UI remained responsive and consistent with the design guidelines, especially for mobile users and also website users. This is all about collaborating with designers in our company. So for the other point, collaboration with project managers. So the project manager actually was my supervisor in this whole internship period. So the project manager played a vital role in organizing development milestones. To stay on track, we used daily stand-up and shared Jira to manage our daily basis tasks. So I would break down the large features into smaller, deliverable tasks with them. And also I communicated blockers early. For example, if backend logic affected UI development, I would bring up immediately to my supervisor. If I face any problem in the code or running my software on the server, here is my supervisor always there for to help me. So I always ask him to help me, and he's always there for me to fix any problem that I faces. And for the communication with its stakeholders, on this point, I'd like to mention that since the app was built for internal employees, I was involved in the requirement gathering sessions to understand the staff workflows and pain points. And also, I conducted short work tours, interviews, and user testing sessions with the real users. So the real users of the other department of our company, actually. So the other department was finance and the marketing department there. So there is already three departments. So the other one is our department, which is a tech department. So I prioritize feedback and adjusted features based on their actual daily uses every day. And for the development process, I work with Laravel Blade templating, integrating backend logic, and connected to a dynamic front-end components using Alpine.js. And also, I used GitHub for version control, where I collaborated with other developers via pull requested and also code reviews. Every day to day, we need to pull our requested to show our project manager. And the code that I write on my VS Code was regularly pushed to a stages server for QA and feedback sessions for the other departments. And lastly, the ensuring successful delivery of this project actually to make sure that we hit our target, our goals. So I wrote a clear and maintainable code and ensured feature branches every merge only after testing. And then I performed manual and automated testing also before any deployment on the server, which our server was AWS server actually. And then I maintained clear documentation so others could pick up and build on my work after my internship session actually. So last but not least, the result of this application was successfully delivered, and now it is actually actively used by Machine Kira's internal team, I hope, and it helped reduce manual paperwork in our company, centralize key operations, and improve internal communication also. So that is all about the internship that I collaborated in my 6 months internship period. Thanks for watching this video, and this project not only helped me to grow just technically but also in working as a part of cross-functional team professionally. So let me know if you like to learn more about the apps or tech stack that I used in my other project. So thank you. See you again.